once you roasted it, no more peeling, no more cutting. And as you can see, it's already roasted. You will see me roasting it. It's just squeeze, squeeze and use, squeeze and use. Let's see a short preparation of this, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. It's very important to press that like button. And I appreciate it. Let's watch. Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. Today, I'm just showing you a short video on how I roast my garlic. Someone asked if I should show them how I do it because they like the fact that it's easy to use. You don't have to do too much peeling and it's ready to go. You can just use it last minute because it's already pre-cooked. So all you need is your pan, and you definitely need this. I gotta make it long. You can make it longer because I'm gonna have to cover this. So next, there's my bag of garlic. And I'm just gonna put it here. Not much. You know I love sharing with you guys. I appreciate you watching my channel, and just don't forget to press that like button because that like button is very important. Please don't forget that. It's very important. Thank you for your support. After that, I take some of this out just so that the little oil can, so that when I put some oil, it can go through. I just feel like it helps, and you can also find the one that's rotten like this one. When you do this, you can find the rotten one. See, this one is no good, so I'm gonna take it out. Why keep it, right? Why keep the rotten one? I don't need the rotten one. And then what you do is, you just take oil. This is vegetable oil, or you can use garlic oil, and just pour a little bit on top of each of these. This will be your nice good stuff when you're ready to cook. It's just easy to use. So after it's done, I'm gonna bake it roast it for about an hour. I have the oven at 375. I'm going to put more of these. So just make sure it doesn't burn away. Here we go. I'm gonna put it in the oven now. I took it out of the oven earlier and I let it cool so I can show you how it looks like. So you see, it's like soft a little bit, soft. So when I take it out of here, let me show you. When I take it out in here, you see how soft, how easy it is to you just squeeze it. Like just literally squeeze it. And that it's just like your paste. That's how you make your garlic paste. So I take one piece out. It's so easy for me. I just love it. Love it. You see? And then no chopping, no peeling, nothing. You just do this. No more peeling, no more chopping. And there we go. You're ready to use your garlic. You can even put it in your finished food because it's already cooked. And it has some great flavor too, by the way. So there we have it.